Do you know that Inshot app has auto caption templates that you can use for your videos and everything? Open your Inshot app, click on video. And if you enable it or if you add auto caption templates to your videos, it gives your videos this beauty, and then it will push your content even to a wider audience because you have added some beauty to your videos. So now you click on text. You're going to text, you click on text and you click on captions. And then you select the video, and then what you need to do next is to click on default template. So here you can choose a variety of template that you want. The text template, these texts have their own text background. Some of them have their own text background. We have the bright yellow background, we have the purple label, we have the vlog style. So anyone you want to choose, you can just choose it. So let me use this is the white outline style. If you want to use it, we have typewriter style, vibrant green, we have classic black background. So let's click on the typewriter style. Let's see how it will look like. So when you click on it, you see these white border lines around it. When you click on this one, you see the white border lines to show that you've already clicked on the one you know you want to choose. Then you come to this check here, click on check, and then you start. So it will bring you here. For you to have access to that template. We have the first one is all inclusive Inshot Pro. So the second one is limited duration trial. So if you are using Pro, you can click on the first one, and if you're not using Pro, you want it for free, you can just click on this free unlock. It's just for you to watch an advert and it will be unlocked. So we just have to click on it to watch an advert. So we are done with the advert, and then you click on play, and then you start display. As you can see, the text are being displayed. This adds value to your YouTube videos, okay? And then it gives your audience to watch your video and then see the write-ups, all right? You see the auto caption, the write-up, what you exactly you're saying, it will be displayed on your video screen. Isn't that wonderful? So thank you guys for watching my video. Do not forget to like, share, and comment, and then give me a subscribe. All right, it will really go a long way for me. So I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to practice it at home in your own free time. Do it, practice it, and then when you're uploading your videos, always use the caption, the auto caption template. It will really help your channel a lot. Okay, take care and bye for now.